For me, success means giving students the tools that they need to tackle any given task, so that they're not being taught what the answer is, they're taught how to find the answer for themselves. I think all the parts of our framework are important, but one area that really does stand out to me is the structure of our lessons. Because the structure is consistent, the students will always be given a firm insight into each topic, and then they will have time to practice it with their classmates before then attempting it on their own. Our P1 and P2 classes are aimed at giving the students a firm foundation in their English skills. When they progress to P3 and 4, we start to shift focus more towards different answering techniques, and the questions that we give them are based around the PSLE. Our upper primary classes, P5 and 6, are solely aimed at preparing them for the PSLE. Students are given tasks that will be exactly the kind that they will get when they do their exams, giving them the preparation they need to succeed.